Welcome back to Curioscope. This is where curiosity meets discovery. And today we're diving into something that affects all of us: sustainability. We hear about recycling, eco-friendly living, and saving the planet all the time. But what if I told you there are people building entire cities from trash, making clothes out of coffee, and even turning food waste into electricity? Let's explore 5 crazy sustainability facts that prove our future might be a lot greener and weirder than you think. In Nigeria, architects are solving 2 problems at once: housing shortages and plastic waste. How? By building homes and even floating schools out of plastic bottles filled with sand. Each structure can reuse tens of thousands of bottles that would otherwise pollute landfills or oceans. And here's the kicker: they're actually stronger than traditional bricks. Imagine entire neighborhoods built out of trash, turning one of our biggest problems into a powerful solution. Forget styrofoam. Mushrooms are here to save the day. A special fungus called mycelium can grow into shapes that act like packaging, insulation, or even leather. Big companies like IKEA are already testing mushroom-based packaging to replace harmful plastics. Even fashion brands are experimenting with mushroom leather to make shoes and jackets. So one day, your takeout container, your couch, and even your sneakers might come from fungi. And no, they won't make your feet sprout mushrooms. Every year, millions of tons of plastic are dumped into the environment. But in countries like India and the Netherlands, engineers have found a genius solution: using shredded plastic to build roads. Plastic roads are more durable, weather-resistant, and cheaper than asphalt. In fact, India already has over 60,000 miles of plastic roads. So next time you're driving, just remember, you might literally be riding on recycled trash. Here's something shocking. The world wastes around 1.3 billion tons of food every year. But if that food waste were collected and turned into biogas, it could generate enough electricity to power every single household in the United States for a year. In some cities, this is already happening. Special plants convert leftovers and expired food into clean energy. It's proof that yesterday's dinner scraps could literally keep the lights on tomorrow. We all love coffee, but what happens to all the leftover grounds? Normally, they just get tossed. But now, innovators are transforming used coffee grounds into eco-friendly fibers for clothing. These fabrics are soft, quick-drying, and even naturally odor-resistant. That means your morning latte could one day become your workout shirt. It's sustainability you can literally wear on your sleeve, and it smells like progress. So there you have it. 5 crazy sustainability facts that prove our trash, our fungi, and even our coffee might just shape the future of our planet. Which one blew your mind the most? Personally, I can't stop thinking about mushroom leather shoes. Would you wear them? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Curioscope for more mind-bending discoveries about science, technology, and the world around us. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your curiosity alive.